this is okay. Now my husband's ready. Look at that hair. Lot of hairs. So we'll see later what it looks like when I am done. Okay, these are my tools. So to do my husband's hair. Now her taco is this one. I'll just do that. Not yet covered. This I learned a little bit of this when we have the barber shop, so at least I have the knowledge of doing a little bit. And sometimes I'm just so lazy of doing it. But if there's no way of doing it, then let's just do it. So I'll show you later when it's done. I'm using number 5 right now. Okay, on the lower now I'm using number 3. First I use the whole hair number 5, and this time it's number 3 on the lower. Just cleaning up now the sides. I'm done with the other part. You come in here. So there you go. I'm just finishing it. We'll see later what it looks like. Okay. Off my knife. See, hair is done. Yay! It's clean. Better than the first part. No, it's my nanay's turn. I think this is it. We're done. Okay, turn it around and then show how much the hair. That's a lot of hair. So, yeah, I think it's done. Look at this.
Yeah, wow.
Wow, you didn't see it. Okay. Okay, now. My nanay's turn now. I got a lot of hair. But I think I'll use also scissor and other stuff for my nanay. Look at this. Oh, may complaint pa siya. Oh. Madami na daw siyang nakuha. Okay. Nanay has really long hair now, so we'll just use scissor. I tried to use the for the guys, but a little bit hard for her. So I'll just use the scissor.
Day 7.
Use your hand.
I'm going to try the approach just because I'm starting to feel it. And I know Molly, her energy is definitely going down too.
I can cut hairs of others, but I cannot cut my own. So. That's the hard part. So I just have my hair long. So this is Nana's final hair. Not bad, I think. Better than the first time. So huge, thick. Now it's better.